Well, let's get over to meteorologist Michael Behrens now with the latest on your forecast. You can do some ice skating or ice hockey outside now on the ice.
If you had layers on.
Yeah.
You got to have the layers on.
There wasn't a huge wind chill today, The winds were kind of mild. The sun popped out for a minute. It was all right.
Yeah, we had some better weather today than we had yesterday. Because, even this time yesterday, wind chills were below zero. Today, not quite as bad. Like you said, a little bit of sunshine out there, but we're going to be back into the chill again tomorrow, and even some of the coldest air so far by Saturday morning. That's why we keep those 10 TV weather impact alert days in place all the way through Sunday. Each morning, sub-zero air temperatures, a possibility, sub-zero wind chills, very likely. Make sure you're wearing those layers, especially when you're out early in the day. The afternoon got a little better out there in Columbus. We've had some clearing, but the clouds have moved back in for now. Temperatures still better than yesterday, 16 at this hour. Feels like temperature hanging around 6 degrees. Those winds out there right around that 5 to 10 mile per hour mark. Enough for a little bit of a chill, but not as extreme as what we saw yesterday when winds were gusting 20 to 25. Here's the latest satellite radar out there. A little snow up to the lake effect region, some clouds overhead, and then we've got some snow down in central Illinois to southern Indiana. Good news is this should move toward the south of us here in Ohio. Small chance that early Friday, some of our far southern counties could see a few flakes, but don't expect it to do too much. Temperatures right now, teens and 20s across the region. Feels like temperatures as cold as 5 in Mount Vernon, 6 Marysville, 14 in Circleville. Those feels like temperatures will be back below zero as we head toward tomorrow morning, with winds out there that, while not all that extreme, will be still blowing around 3 to 8 miles per hour. And that's enough to push wind chill factors down, especially when air temperatures are already below zero. We're talking -1 out there by early tomorrow. Mix of clouds as we head through tonight. The wind chill factor down as cold as -5 to -10. Then we see a bigger blast of cold air by early Saturday. That drops all the way to -6. But the good news is that's the coldest day in the forecast. It's all uphill after that, back to lows in the teens by next Tuesday and Wednesday. Let's talk hour by hour when it comes to snow chances. Again, we've got that 20% out there tomorrow, but our impact alert days are going to be for the cold in the morning. Again, -1 tomorrow, -6 Saturday, still down to 3 early Sunday. I think our wind chills will still be below zero as we start the back half of the weekend. But then we see improvement next week. Small chance for some flakes Monday, 20%, 10% Tuesday. Temperatures warming. We're up to 27 by Tuesday afternoon. That pattern continues all the way to Wednesday. We get close to freezing, but not quite above it. 30 degrees, the temperature Wednesday afternoon. That will come with a better chance for snow. Scattered snow, 40%. We're not expecting a heavy event, but, just a little bit of additional snowfall. And then, well, it's unfortunately back downhill. We drop to a high of just 27 by next Thursday. A largely below average and kind of frigid weather pattern looking to continue.